Is Mickey gonna drive the car?
Yes.
You drive Mickey. Uh-oh, Mickey fell down.
Huh?
My juice all gone, yeah. Your juice is in your cup over there. Here, going Goofy. Oh, Goofy fell off.
Mickey fell off.
Mickey fell off. Yeah, put Mickey back on. I put Goofy back on.
Go, please go.
Goofy saying, Mickey, get off my car. Goofy's on his car.
My son to go on the car.
You gonna put Mickey too? Ah.
Ow.
You silly clunky head. Goofy on. Ah. Uh-oh. Oh, you okay?
Ow. Mickey. He's in the under.
Oh, genius.
Oh no.
Oh no, poor Goofy.
Oh, son. I fast. Hey, Papa, I'll go.
Here we go. Okay.
He wants to sit on the den.
You want to sit on there again? Okay,
Yes.
let's fix him. Ah, wait a minute. Hey, you left without me. Hey, come back here.
He's on me.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Tell Grandma I love you.
Grandma, I love you.
Okay, you want to watch the video now of you?
Yes.
Watch, I'm going to turn it.